And welcome back. And we get off ice with the news that the Jamaica ice hockey team has assembled in Chicago ahead of their first game in the Challenger Series against Greece on Thursday. Although they'll be beaming with confidence, they'll be doing so without their star player, Malik McGowan, who signed a professional contract just under weeks ago and will not be available for these games. Now, points earned in this leg of the series will go towards the second leg to be played in Montreal in July. Jamaica will play Greece on Thursday at 8:20 p.m. Jamaica time. They'll then play Puerto Rico on Friday at 8 p.m. The reigning Olympic and World 100-meter silver medalist, Jamaica's Kishane Thompson, has been nominated for the World Athletics Male Athlete of the Month award for April. The nomination follows Thompson's World 150-meter best of 14.32 seconds at the Miramar Invitational, a World Athletics Continental Tour silver meet in Florida, USA on April 4. The performance improved on the previous world best of 14.97 set by Linford Christie back in 1994, although faster times have been run for the distance on a straight track. Another Jamaican, Usain Bolt, owns the fastest ever 150 run of 14.35 done on a straight track in 2009 in Manchester, England. Meanwhile, Kenyan long-distance runner and recent marathon world record holder Sebastian Sawe, Ethiopian long-distance runner and former half-marathon world record holder Yumef Kechela, and Australian teenage prodigy Gout, who recently broke the world under 20 200-meter world record, are the other male nominees for the Male Athlete of the Month award for April.